Dr. Moore, lesson, alignment. That's right, alignment. Now, one of the things about being a student of science is that we study a lot. We're always doing problem sets or whatnot. And sometimes we pick up bad habits, right? You're studying for a long period of time like this, and all of a sudden you have that crook in your neck after 2 hours, and you're like, why do I have a headache? Because you didn't have alignment when you were studying. Now, this particular lesson focuses on how to take a complete breath, the alignment of your body as you're studying at a desk or in a chair. It also goes through different poses that will allow you to kind of work out those kinks, because it is a good idea to study for 45 minutes or an hour and then take that break, right? Allow yourself to maybe do some stretching exercises to rejuvenate your mind to then come back in and get it, right? So alignment is something that will really allow you to focus your mind and think, and also at the same time relax you and not allow you to be tensed up, especially if you're under a lot of stress and pressure. Now, moving along with that metaphor on the cell in our physical body, alignment is actually the outer part of the eukaryotic cell, right? And we need that barrier to be strong. We need it to be able to keep all the things inside of it intact, so then the functioning that happens in our physical body and our cells will allow us to operate at our very best. Because again, at the end of the day, I want you to win.
So now we're going to do axial extension and spine lubrication. So axial extension, the axis of the body is the spine. So sitting up nice and tall. Sitting up nice and tall, because usually we slump and we may be typing or reading. So sit up nice and tall. And imagine the very top of your head going up to the ceiling. So you can even take the top, your hand, and put it on the very top of your head and kind of lightly push down on the top of your head, but sit back up through that hand. So you're trying to push your hand back up towards the ceiling. Maybe do this for like 30 seconds even. Really just try to sit up, but don't really engage your muscles to do this. Just energetically sit up nice and tall. Sit up nice and tall. And then you can return your hand to your thigh here, but just keep that energy moving up. So axial extension, sitting up nice and tall. So anytime we want to move the spine, first we want to get axial extension. That's a general rule. So now let's floss the spine. Let's move the spine here. So my hands are on my knees here, hanging right over here. And then I'm going to inhale and bring my diaphragm forward and lightly pull my shoulders back, very lightly. Exhaling, round my back, round the back. Synchronizing breath with movement. Inhaling, I'm coming forward, bringing my diaphragm forward, diaphragm, and pulling my shoulders back. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. No rush, nice and slowly. Exhale, back. Inhale, forward. Then I'm going to come to center here. Now I'm going to go side to side. So 2 fixed points, the very top of my head and my tailbone. Those are the 2 fixed points. I want to keep those points fixed, and I'm going to move my diaphragm from side to side. So exhale, bringing my ribs to the side. Inhale, center. Exhale, ribs to the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Inhale, center. One more time here. Exhale, right side. Inhale, center. Exhale, left side. Inhale, center. Now for an extra bonus here, so we have 4 directions. We went forwards and backwards, then we went side to side. Imagine you're in a circle, you're in a barrel. Let's see if we can turn the spine. Imagine, so the fixed points, you're turning a rope. One fixed point is the top of the head, the other fixed point is the tailbone. Now, can we do counterclockwise circles with the spine? So coming forward, out to the left, exhale back, inhaling. So for half of the circle, I'm inhaling forward, exhaling back, turning rope with my spine. And going in the other direction. Exhaling back, inhaling forward, exhaling back, inhaling forward. One more time. Exhaling back, inhaling forward, and coming back to neutral, sitting up nice and tall, axial extension.